Hi there, it's Mark from the Future Toolbox by Mad for Life here. And we just want to say a huge thank you to the staff and students from King's School for inviting us in this week and making our visit memorable and enjoyable as always. So big shout out to the Year 7 students. We had an absolutely amazing time meeting each and every one of you. And that's thanks to your participation, your respect and your energy on the day. Thank you very much again, everyone. Our workshop from Mad for Study is called Accelerate Your Learning. And this looks at ways of creating positive mindsets in order to make revision and study easy and fun. Yes, easy and fun. Then we looked at some tools, how to create a mind map, a memory journey, and use a quick fire quiz. And we finished with some learning styles as well. So it's over to you guys. Pop onto our YouTube channel or go to our student zone and watch the videos on how to create a mind map and how to create a memory journey. There's also plenty of other tools on there as well, so subscribe to that. Make sure you create these simple habits and put them into your study and use them regularly. Good luck on making your revision and study easy and fun.